Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage real estate compliance with RealtyCompliance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing real estate compliance using RealtyCompliance, log into your RealtyCompliance account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard overview. Locate the compliance section, which is typically highlighted in the main menu. Click on the Compliance tab to access various compliance management tools. Begin by reviewing the compliance checklist provided by RealtyCompliance. This checklist will guide you through essential documents and requirements for your real estate transactions. Next, upload any necessary documents by clicking the Upload button. Ensure that each document meets the required format and size. After uploading, verify that all documents are correctly labeled and categorized. Now, utilize the Compliance Calendar feature to track important dates. Set reminders for document renewals or compliance deadlines to stay ahead of requirements. Explore the reporting tools to generate compliance reports. These reports will help you monitor your compliance status effectively. If you encounter any issues, access the Help section for tutorials and FAQs. Interact with customer support for personalized assistance as needed. Regularly review your compliance status to ensure ongoing adherence to regulations. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage real estate compliance with RealtyCompliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.